kata-unshu. Beginning of this kata, we have a certain pose where the right foot is going to step in, arms cross, and then down. Sometimes you see people do circular motion with their hands. Different versions of the kata, but basically you step in, arms cross, and down to the side. Feet are together. Both hands come up, joining together, and then turning out. This is the parting of the clouds, pushing open the clouds, the cloud hand position. From here, your right foot is going to, both hands come down and right foot at the same time, moving here into your cat stance. The hand position in your neko ashidachi cat stance, elbows are in, hand is hooked like this. Blocking with this part of the hand here. It's called kata-unshu. This part here with the double hand. So swooping down to here. Then strike it, ippon nukete, one finger strike, down. Rotate through with the foot and striking down again. One more time, through, striking down. The next section is blocking, block, punch, block, punch, block, punch, block, punch, in all four directions. When we do this, the rhythm really, it has to be very quick. Right? First we're going 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2. So the rhythm is slightly changing throughout the four movements. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's slightly different. So for example, from here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the second two a little bit faster. Then you're going to bring the right foot up, drop down to the floor, and kick mawashigiri from the floor position. This is obviously dropping underneath a punch, kicking up to the groin area. Then you switch across. Both hands are flat on the floor, and repeat with the other leg. Now you're going to come up, pushing with the left hand up into position, feet almost together, and pushing out. Again, same posture, same hand movement as the beginning of the kata. Draw back with the right foot, left hand coming underneath the right, and then striking again. The same hand position is here with the left hand. Right hand blocking behind. Now again, halfway back, right from underneath this time, and repeat. You're in front stance. From here, ridge hand strike, haito uchi. Now you're going to do your maegiri front kick and turn in on one leg, blocking outer block, soto uke. And gyakuzuki as you step back. Turn again, repeat this motion from the opposite side now. Right hand, ridge hand. Maegiri, turning, outer block, and then gyakuzuki. Halfway point of the kata. Hold the pose, looking to the left, 45 degrees. You raise the left hand up, right hand down at the side of the body. Here, up, then up again, and striking down. So this is to try and confuse your opponent. Because from here, which hand is it going to be? Is it going to be the left or the right, up high, or is it going to go down low? So in the kata, this is to try and fool your opponent so they don't know what's coming next. 1, 2, and then down low. Now we twist. This is a punch. Both of these are geidanzuki, low level punches, not a block. That would be geidan barai. So you're just twisting. 1, and then the other way. Now turning, fudodachi, blocking with a knife, tate shuto uke, vertical knife hand. Right hand comes around, and at this point here, you change into your zenkutsudachi. From here to here, zenkutsudachi. Now you're going to both palms together like this, hasami uchi, scissor strike. From here, raising your right knee. This is not a front kick. This is a stamp. Down. Punch, punch. So from here, raising your right knee, and you pull your hands in as you stamp. Kiai. Then left hand punch as this comes back. Left hand punch, and then right hand as the foot hits the ground. From here. 1, 2, 3. Now, this direction. Right hand comes over, striking down to the groin. Clenched fist position first time. Jodan, haito uchi. This is up high here. 1, 2, open hand position. Through, second time, open hand position again. Then, open hand again. Punch across. Now the next part, in different schools of Shotokan, sometimes you see different stanzas. Following the SKI syllabus, Shotokan Karate International of Master Kanazawa, we go into a back stance. Many other schools go into fudodachi, ready for the jump. Our school, back stance, kokutsudachi. The jump is called senpu geri, senpu tobi geri. Literally means tornado kick or whirlwind kick, because it's a full 360-degree pivot and jump. So from here, jump in and trying to land right here on the full foot of the front foot and then the ball of the foot of the back foot. When you land, both hands should be pointing slightly inwards. You don't ever want to land like this, because now you're putting too much pressure on your elbow joints and possibly on your wrist joints here. Could cause some trouble. So when you land, always this way, that way your arms can cushion the blow of coming down. Okay, this technique, what it actually is a mikazuki geri, crescent kick, and then turning and kicking ushiro geri, back kick, and then landing. Right? It's obviously very difficult to perform. If you do the thing the traditional way, you actually have to strike this hand as you jump. But what happens is it's very, very difficult to do. And in tournament nowadays, you see people just do a spectacular high jump because they want to see the flair of the technique and the spectacular movement of the technique. Traditionally, though, you should actually strike the left hand with a mikazuki geri. So anyway, now we land in this position. Step up, left leg forward, left hand underneath the right, rotating around, mawashi uke. Moving forward, now the right comes from under, rotate around, mawashi uke. Turning, age uke, and then gyakuzuki. Ya, kiai. Step back, yame, to this position, and then back to your regular position. Bow again, and back. So this is a kata-unshu.